Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic TinkerCAD tutorial how to build house. So as example, I will create a simple house. First, you can add search for window. You can tap window to be appear in your drawing area, and I will insert this window just for example. And the next, I will insert for door, and I will use this door. The next, you can insert box. So this is box. And last, we insert this option roof. Now you can resize this window. I will decrease the height. Then for width, you can click it. The next, I will resize this box object. Fine. Size. And then I will move this window into this box object. You can select. We can use the roll tools. I will click from this corner point. You can select this window. Okay. We can set for distance in it. You can set into -1. Press enter. So this is for -1. And this is for distance in x-axis. I will set like into 10. This is for 10. Then set height at this point. Like I will set height into 5. So this is for 5. So set again in here into 12. Next, you can move this door, but first we need to resize the door object and decrease the height and also the width. This okay is enough. Then we can move this door object. Okay, I will set in here into a 0. Then in width for distance set into -1. Okay. And set again for distance in here, I will set into 2. And then you can select this window. I will set into 14. This. Then you can resize the box objects. Now, for roof, you can select this roof objects. Then can set for the distance in here into 0. And then to the top into 20. Okay. For width, this is -17 and you can set into 0. Now you can resize the object. I will move to this point, width, and move again into here. Okay. Next, select at this point and move to the bottom here. Now, you can select again this door. Like you can move in here into 0,5. And that's it for a basic TinkerCAD tutorial how to build house. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.